Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just about an hour ago, I made a video. This is an envelope shape, envelope size, and it's between those two indexing lines. And I made a video about how to make a hotkey with Shift E and grab the envelope tool. And well, actually, I need to have the Steve selected and Shift E, but you still have to click on envelope to get it to work. But I started thinking about, I bet you there's another way. So we're gonna go to Tool, Options, Customization. I don't know where it is in here. I'm gonna go to Object, Copy Effect, and if you look right underneath Effects is Copy Envelope Properties. So it's giving you all these other properties. So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna give it a new hotkey. We're gonna go Alternate E for envelope. Hit Assign and then say okay. Now what to do is hit the Steve, alternate E, and then press the Bob, which is our envelope. Take the Doug, alternate E, press the Bob, and now if we look, all our letters are the same length if we move the indexing lines in. So they're gonna fit inside of a box equally. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.